Are you looking for this season's meta weapons for Warzone Mobile? So you have chosen the right video. As usual, the weapons in the Battle Pass are meta. But to unlock them, you have to raise the Battle Piston to level 35. But you can buy 2 overpowered weapons from Arsenal Store. And that's it, you have the most powerful weapons of this season, Tachyvolver and HRM9. As you can see in the gameplay in the video, this loadout lasers your enemy for you, without recoil with high damage. The new Jack BFB attachment that was added in the Arsenal Store will reduce your horizontal recoil to almost zero. Selection of attachments based on good control and arranged for long range. The fastest TTK next to the Ram 9 of this type. This loadout gives you everything, both accuracy and speed, and a high magazine suitable for close range. Although Ram 7 has been nerfed, it is still a great sniper support. WSP9. It is very well buffed and you can be invincible in close range. With it, AMR9. It still has good damage and easy control. Don't forget to choose Warden from the perks section, because it has the best combination. Wait for the meta update video this week, and you can easily upgrade your weapon in Battle Royale mode.
Enemy UAV active.
خیلی عالیه ته بی‌ناموسیه ولی خوب.
Enemy dropping into the AR.
استان کجاست؟ الان میام.
Moving.
بی خیاره.
تحویل بزن تحویل وسط خیابون.